Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. The Do Not Disturb mode is useful, for example, if you need to mute your notifications for a time. For example, you're in the meeting or maybe in the cinema or somewhere where you don't want to be disturbed, then you can enable the mode. It will mute the notifications, and once you're done you can disable the mode and it will unmute the notifications so you can get them when you're not basically busy or you don't want to be disturbed. And to enable the mode, simply press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. Scroll through this menu, find this icon with the circle inside, or there's a circle that has a line inside of it, and at the moment it's crossed over because the mode is turned off. But if you tap on this icon, the mode will be enabled, and you can tell it's enabled because the icon is not crossed out anymore, and also it got highlighted by a blue color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and now that the mode is enabled, and the notifications will be muted. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the controls menu again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again. The icon will change the shape and color again. It will look like it looked by default, so basically it will be crossed out, and the background will be grayish, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and now the notifications should be working. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.